Do I look good?
So bankable.
Okay. Hi guys! So this is my second video in my channel. I am Rimvi, the artist of makeup, and I'm doing unboxing video of top 20. I need to unwrap it firstly. First of all, I want to thank to all my friends, to my parents who are very supportive for what I'm doing. I want to just be thankful to NYX for sending me this box and for choosing me to the top 20. And before opening the box, I want to say that this box definitely gonna be my makeup box in the room, with this amazing face chart by Vlad Petrov, who is amazing artist, and you can find him on Instagram. I definitely recommend to check him. Okay. So many items. Can you see that? First of all, I think it's some kind of letter. I need to unwrap it. Oh, yes, congratulations, Rimvi moi. It's my Instagram. We are so happy to let you know that you made it to Face Awards Baltics 2019 Top 20. Thank you for your awesome work so far. We can't wait to see your unboxing video of this box with NYX professional makeup products and kind gifts from our sponsors. That's amazing. It's a bag. Levis. And I have a lipstick. Look at this. Congratulations. Next we have so many jumbo pencils. I always wanted them. My first pigment. Colorista spray. It's one day color hair spray. I love it because I love dyeing some hair.
Dying some hair.
I'm dying for dyeing. Yeah, butter gloss for lips. Doll eye mascara. Gummies. I love you. Sweet help.
Maybe you want to try them out now?
Do you think?
Yeah. Why not?
In front of the mirror. I needed such a good mirror. Oh my god. I need to see that. I need to taste the gummies in front of the mirror. How fun is that? Oh, it's so bright. Okay, I will try this. I want them. Okay, I don't want your whole hand. Sour, sweet.
What flavor is it?
Kind of strawberries, maybe. It's interesting. But it's very good.
I want some.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay, taste that. Oh, don't take everything.
Can I have some more?
No. I'm doing the video, by the way. And I have Born to Glow. So I guess I will glow very much.
Grow. I mean, glow.
Glow. Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. I love this. This is my favorite palette from NYX. I have it, and actually I'm using so much on my girlfriends and boyfriends.
You know what Julian Solomita, a YouTuber, said once on the Jenna Marbles channel?
No.
He said, if beauty gurus and the beauty community would have a tour of makeup, it would be called the contouring. That was supposed to be funny. Okay, I'll shut up.
Okay. I have eye and lip makeup remover here. I have micellar water. Oh my god, so many stuff. Professional makeup. Powder puff.
Powerpuff.
Powerpuff
Girls.
I love them actually. Too much. Cleansing oil to remove all your makeup. And I see very interesting item, and I believe I know what is it.
Is that fruit?
I guess no. Yes! This is exactly what I wanted. So many brushes. Look at this.
That's like a forest of brushes.
Oh my god. It's like flowers, you know. Liquid illuminator. So I'm gonna shine. I see some lipsticks. Dark lipsticks. Oh, eyelashes. Okay, more food. Red Bull. So if I'm gonna work again at night with my look for new challenge, probably I will need it. They were thinking about this. See similar items. Total Control Drop Foundation and Drop Primer. And I see more color. So many. And this one is so dark. I think I will have some ideas to use it on my new challenge. Cleansing Balm. More blush.
You make me even more blush.
I was thinking about such color blush. Yeah, for my look. I'm just taking so much stuff. Oh, Epic Ink Liner. That's the best one. Eyebrow gel. And this is probably eye pencil. Yeah, it's eye pencil. Eyeliner. Oh, SFX Cream Color Red. That's cool. Matte Finishing and Dewy Finish sprays. Okay, Born to Glow. More glowing. Vivid Brights Colored Liquid Liner. These are awesome. Okay, Daily Reviving Concentrate. Gotcha Covered Coverage Concealer. Okay. White liquid liner. Oh my god, I always wanted white liquid liner. More concealer. More blush. More eye pencils. And more eye pencils. Oh, so many. Okay, this is Precision Brow Pencil. Foundation mixer. We have color mascara. One more color mascara. Okay. Maybe I will use it for my doll look. Eyelashes. So bushy. Oh, Vivid Brights. Cream color. Yes, it's glitter. Oh my god, look at this. Eye pencil, lipstick and eyeshadow base. This is eyeshadow base. And that's all. That's all I have. Oh my god. Look at this.
Nice.
Look at this stuff. I can't wait to unwrap it, try it and see how everything is working. I can't believe. Top 20. That's amazing. Can you believe? Because I can't.
You want to thank me for helping you?
Yes, I want to thank to my assistant behind the camera, and I want to thank to NYX Professional Makeup for sending these amazing items. I can't believe. I'm saying see you later to my another challenge video in this channel. Alligator. Okay, bye.